Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ironfish token. Now the Ironfish token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Ironfish network token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today, December 22nd, at 12 o'clock UTC time. You can find the Ironfish token listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search IRON, and then simply just buy the token. So you can find their webpage at ironfish.network. Over there you can find their Twitter, which is at Ironfish Crypto. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there as usual. You can find other socials, you can find a full white paper, there's blogs, there's all sorts of info on there. Ironfish is built to be a chain-agnostic privacy platform for crypto. Today, most cryptocurrency systems are transparent, publicly revealing all actions and balances of a wallet. We are building Ironfish to be a privacy platform for crypto with a mission to make Web3 safer, more accessible, and more attractive for mainstream adoption while deterring bad actors. Why are we focusing on privacy above all else in crypto? Well, number one, transparency makes users vulnerable to attacks. The transparent nature of blockchain forces users to reveal all of their blockchain actions publicly by simply interacting with the system. This not only forces users to leak their sensitive financial information to everyone in the world, but this level of transparency also makes them easy targets for phishing attacks, scams, frauds, social engineering, and theft. Number two, privacy unlocks use cases necessary for mass adoption. So private payments will allow employers to pay employees via crypto, provide a true alternative to bank wires, unlock safe crypto payments between individuals, let financial institutions digitize assets in a privacy-compliant way, and much more. Number three, public payments can negatively affect users. So crypto payments today are completely transparent, leaving users vulnerable by leaking sensitive information around purchases, account balances, and affiliations. Number four, MEV deterrence. So MEV stands for maximum extractable value, and it's a complex issue across the crypto space. While some consider MEV a play on constructive role in helping mitigate economic inefficiencies across DeFi protocols, such as helping token prices on various decentralized exchanges more closely reflect market-wide demand, as a general matter, MEV is considered a meaningful attack vector needing management. The practice of MEV is very well established due to a very public nature of blockchains. MEV is so prevalent that it accounts for well over $1 billion in profit for block producers and searchers. In some cases, MEV is neutral. In other cases, it hurts retails. Different solutions are being worked on at both technical prevention, such as private mempools, and economic governance, such as fair distribution, order flow auctions, and batch auction levels. Giving a layer of privacy for users and service providers would deter some of the more harmful MEV practices. And lastly, number 5, unintended market reactions, aka whales. Large holders of an asset can move the market by placing an order to buy or sell an asset. A well-known account is frequently watched and monitored by bots to repeat its actions and hopes of a profit. A project's reputation can be made or harmed by the perception of a whale buying into or selling off project assets. This leads to unintentional market movement that privacy could solve for. So number 1, why build an entire infrastructure layer as opposed to a smart contract on an existing chain? Well, a transparent chain like Ethereum is built on a premise of a pseudonymous. So pseudonymous is easily broken either through blockchain analytics, NFT profile pictures, or simply by asking users to link their identity to their wallet to get funds, airdrops, or perks. Number 2, a robust privacy solution based on smart contracts on an EVM chain typically requires a network of relayers or batchers and post transactions on a user's behalf. Users using relayers or batchers leak some of their data to them while typically paying high transaction fees. Number 3, on Ironfish, a user always has the confidence that their data is protected without the user needing to know any cryptography behind the tech or be aware of the sequence of their actions. Just like the user uses a website with HTTPS without needing to know or do anything extra to get the encrypted traffic, we hope users of crypto will use Ironfish with the same ease. Number 4, building an L1 as opposed to an L2 gives the project resilience and decentralization and lack of a single sequencer that all L2 designs currently have. So today, Ironfish is a mainnet launched as of April 20th, 2023, proof of work layer 1 chain. All transactions are private and validated by zero-knowledge proofs and supports custom assets. So basically, Ironfish has to do with privacy. It has all 4 of those things as opposed to today. On their white paper, which you can find at ironfish.network, you could review view keys for audits. They have a section about privacy, a force for good, section about accounts, transactions, consensus, blocks, cryptographic primitives, networking, governance, glossary. So governance involves voting rights. So as a token holder, you will have voting rights on proposals and vote on which direction you think the project should go. So, this is all about privacy. This token here, it's actually technically a coin. It runs on its own blockchain, although people use token and coin interchangeably. They do have their own explorer that you can check out at explorer.ironfish.network. And they talk about last block time, circulating supply, total supply. It says the total supply of this coin is 49,118,540 iron coins. Goes over difficulty, height, latest blockchain hash, latest blocks, all these things you can check out on their block explorer. And so check this token out. Just got listed today, December 22nd, 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.